Alright, welcome back Fly Tribe to your tutorial, and if you're new to this channel, thanks for joining us, and remember to subscribe and ring that bell button so that you know when we drop a new tutorial. Alright, so today's tutorial is the C in creature. Alright, which is this position here. I know this is the infamous position that everybody wants to shoot for when they do creature, and for some it just seems impossible. Alright, so let's go through this tutorial. In a egg beater wrap, and then you're going to go through the center and go down and grab your fabric tails. If you don't know creature, go ahead and go back and watch that tutorial first. So to execute the C in creature, notice how her arms are straight and they never bent. And her legs stayed straight as well. This position is a matter of shoulder and hip mobility. All right, so it's with those two things that you'll be able to get this skill. So I'm going to link some exercises that you can do that will help you open your shoulders and your hips for this specific drill. So this is what it might look like when someone just doesn't quite have the mobility in their hips or their shoulders, and that it's not connected quite yet. All right, so let's take a look at what it should look like. Again, notice the fabric around her thighs. It almost rolls up. Okay, so you want to keep contact, keep the tension, and almost roll that fabric up the leg as you rotate the shoulders and the hips back. All right, so if you have any questions or any tips for this position, go ahead and leave them in the comments, and we can't wait to see you next time. See you soon.